Alden Richard update. Na-spotted si Alden sa race event sa Clark, Pampanga. Kasama niya mga ka-gym buddies niya. Nag-ride pa nga sila ng 71 km sa loob ng 4 hours 1 minute. Grabe nga yun. 65K finisher. OBRLMD GRBL. Congrats kay Alden.
My name is Richard Fulkerson Jr. and I'm from Pasig City. Let's go.
Let's go.
Make sure it's really what you want.
Medal ni Alden,
and this can be for fun, depending on your appetite. But make sure you're well prepared. A slight miscalculation of your moves can lead to an accident, and we don't want that. So, chill lang tayo mga boys and girls that wants to try cycling or gravel biking, and ensayo lang ng ensayo.
Yun may mga maswerte pa nga. Nakalapit kay Alden. May pa nga si Mamaten, no? Congrats kay Alden. Saka sa mga ka-gym buddies niya. Yung first tournament ni Alden, sinalihan. Yan o, palong-palo, kay Alden. Yan pa o. May maswerte pa nga naka-video ko si Alden, no? Kaya walang sound eh. Ayan, nakinilig pa nga eh. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.